Hi food lovers, are you looking for easy or quick breakfast or snacks recipes? This video is for you. In this video, we'll share with you this secret recipe to prepare these easy and quick snacks for your children. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn the notification button. Let's go into the main recipe. First, you need to get the pan on fire. Ensure you grease the pan and also get some sausages and pan toast the sausages. Always ensure you use low heat to carry out this process. Ensure you don't allow the sausages to get burned, rather it has to be golden brown. As soon as it's done, remove and set aside. We are also going to need 3 slices of bread to prepare these recipes or this dish. Get the bread and then trim off the part. We are also going to flat the bread with our rolling pin, just to ensure that we'll be able to roll the bread. So as soon as we are done flattening the bread, we are going to get some cheddar cheese and then add on top of the bread. As soon as we are done adding the cheddar cheese on top of the bread, we are also going to add some sausages on it and roll. You can imagine how tasty, healthy, and nice this dish is going to be. Remember that the quantity of this dish is going to be determined by how many people you want to serve. Repeat the process until you get to the quantity of persons you want to serve. As soon as you're done rolling the bread and every other things together, get some egg and crack them into the bowl and then whisk it thoroughly. As soon as you're done whisk the egg, ensure you pour the egg on the bread. One of the key things you need to take out from this recipe is that you need to dip the egg. You need to dip the bread in the eggs to ensure that it properly soaks in the bread. Once this process is done, you need to get another pan on fire and then grease the pan. We are not going to bake this recipe, or we are not going to fry it. Rather, we are going to pan toast it. So grease the pan and then allow to hot a bit and then bring in the bread and pan toast. Always remember to use low heat so as not to burn this bread. Always remember to turn it side by side with the low heat to ensure that you achieve golden brown color. Remember that this dish can be served with hot chocolate, can be served with coffee, can be served with Lipton or tea. You can also wrap it as a snack to your children to take to school. Boom, this dish is done. What a nice dish. Also tell me where you are watching this video from in the comment section. And if there is any recipes you want me to make this video for, kindly put it in my comment section. I would also love you to try these recipes at home and then let me know your outcome. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly like, comment, and also share this video. Don't forget once again to subscribe to this channel for more cooking tips, for more exciting recipes. Thank you for watching this video. I would also love to see you in my next video.